Hello everyone, I'm Sai Praneeth and my teammates Anudeep, Bhargav and Vinay. We are Team TalentTrek, which is an AI-powered career companion, and let's see what it is.
So this is our TalentTrek homepage. So we have done the authentication using AWS Cognito. So basically the apps currently supports two types of roles, candidate and the interviewer. So let me sign in. Let me sign in.
Yeah, so this is the job listings dashboard. We have all the jobs here. Currently, we have 2,973 jobs in software engineering, and these are the respective jobs in their particular sections. We also have a search bar. Suppose if we want to apply to Google, we can search Google here. We have all the Google jobs here. And we also have direct filters for new grad roles and H1B roles. So this gets the targeted users handy, and we can directly apply to those particular roles from here. We also have categories in this section as well. And we also have this H1B jobs that involves all the companies who are going to sponsor the H1B. And let's try applying to a job. We can also see all the job details, and let's click apply now. This takes to the job portal. We click apply now, and then when we come back, we are prompted if we have applied to the job or not. If we click yes, we can start tracking our application. Let's see our application. We have it here. This is our application page, and we have color coded tiles where we can directly have a glance of what the status of our applications is, and we can directly know if it is our time to follow up, depending on interviewing or any other states. And we also have the status history, and let's just try changing the status of this particular job. Let's put it to interviewing. Yeah, so this is how we can manage the status here. And we also have the search filter here and categories. Suppose if we apply to a different job from a different category, we can also filter the jobs in my application page using the categories filter over there. Let's see now if we have the categories updated. Yeah, so we have the category updated data engineer, which only shows the jobs that are applied in data engineer. And also we can filter using the application states as well. So we can have this interviewing applied. We don't have anything. We have in data engineering, we have applied. Yeah, so this is the functionality. And then let's move to the resume section.
So here, if the user wants to update their tailor the resume according to the job description they want to apply, and then we can tailor it to that. Let me copy a job description, and let's select a current resume they have. So what happened in the backend is like we are tailoring our resume according to the job description, and it converts to a JSON format. From that, it converts to a latex code. With that latex code, let's say the user wants some changes to it, then they can view the changes in the overlay. And also, we are compiling that latex code to the PDF. So let's say if you want to view the PDF, you just can click here and see how it is. Then let's say if he's not satisfied and he want to edit it, and he can edit it here. And yeah, so the tailoring part is done like it rewrites the experience and also the projects using the star method, which is a situation, task, action, and result to highlight the accomplishments. And it integrates keywords from the job description naturally. And whenever there is a possibility, it quantifies the achievements and ensure the bullets are relevant to the job title. Yeah.
So yeah, okay, I'll be taking over the mock interview platform, like the service. So we'll create like a new interview, say something like a project demo and like any target company, and yeah, start interview and reversal. So you can communicate with the backend mock interviewer asking for more explanation if you're finding it hard to understand, or we can also use our voice to text service. So it converts your voice to text, and we are using Whisper on the backend to do that. So I share like a Python code to we can check it and try to paste it here, and can check code. So we will ask like more follow-ups, like what can we do it in a better way, or can you like use a like a stack iterate while iterating? You can be asked like can you have what is the time complexity, or can you improve the space complexity, like a general follow-ups to your DSA questions. And you have a timer there which is like running, and it'll run for 30 minutes. And if you cross the 30 minutes, it'll automatically end the interview. And when you press the end interview, you will be generating a feedback, and you can see that feedback in the interview history. And if you see, it scored 8 out of 10. So we could have like discussed the complexity and everything before that, and then we could have gone into the interview. And if you do, since we did not do it and we directly implemented the code, we got a little score. So as this is only a single performance, you can only see one score there. But as there are more performances, we can see more. We can see this graph view better in a different user, let's say like user 6. So user 6 has like, see, so that's how like it's going, how we can see how his progress is over time and how he improved over time. And this is just the interviews and what his feedback was. So this is in the gist of how our project is, and sign off.
Thank you, everyone.